Hey, how's it going, folks? ET here with another iMovie tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to make a border around a video using a background. And let's just jump right into it. We'll create a new project here. It's going to be a movie. And the first thing you're going to have to do is actually go to your backgrounds and figure out which background you actually want to use. And I think we'll do, what should we do here? How about a gradient? And let me decrease the size of the timeline here, and then I'm going to increase the size of this. Right now it's at 4 seconds, so I'll double click on it. I'll go to the eye at the top, and let's make this 20 seconds. There we go. All right. Now we'll go back to our media pool, which is under My Media, and I think I'll click on just the library itself, and let's find a halfway decent looking clip here. Yeah, why not this one here? We'll grab that. We'll drag it down here. We'll notice it's actually a minute long, but I probably don't need a minute of video. Actually, let me delete that. Let's kind of scroll through here and find a good point in the video. What you'll do is you'll tap an I on the keyboard when you want an in point. And then you'll tap an O when you want an out point, or you can use these handles here to kind of pull them in and out. And we'll grab that and we'll drag that right there. Probably going to need a little bit more, so I'll make it kind of match the actual video itself. And let's see, is that good? I think that's pretty good. Why not? Okay, so you notice you don't see any of the background right now. So what we're going to have to do is use the picture-in-a-picture feature to actually let us shrink the size of this top video so it exposes the bottom video here. So we'll double click on it or highlight it by clicking one time on it. Go up to your drop down here and we'll go to picture-in-a-picture. And now our top video is in the picture-in-a-picture. We'll make it as big as you actually want it to be. I kind of want it pretty big. And then once you drag it around, you'll see there's some guides here that'll tell you when it's in the middle. And I think I'm liking the way that looks right now. Then you'll click on the checkbox here to accept it, or you can just click anywhere you want, really. And then now let's do a quick play. And you'll notice there is actually a little fade here. So whether you want that or not, if you don't, you just grab this little tool handle here and just move it to the left or right, depending how much you want. So let's move it all the way out. I don't want any. So now we have a video with a frame around it. If you highlight on it, there are some options. You can put a little border around it. You can add a shadow to it. You can customize the color of the border if you want. You know, gray, black, white, whatever you want to do. Or not. How about we do no border, no shadow, and we'll just call it a day here and just push play. Maybe I do like a border. Thin, darkish color border here. Or maybe black. And let's hit play. We'll see if we like it or not. Yeah, not bad, not bad. And I think that's pretty much it for today's tutorial. I want to thank everybody for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, comment, all that jazz. And we'll talk to you in the next one. Peace and aloha.